Hey guys, this is an update on Mitya, an interaction prototyping tool I've been working on. It's a way to design and test specific interactions rather than making clickable prototypes. Let me show you a couple of examples I've made in Mitya, and then we'll see how it's done. So here's one that's based on Google Now. I've got the initial state of the interaction on the left here and the end state on the right here. This region marks a hotspot that will trigger our animation. So if I hit preview, and here's the animation, you'll see that we're animating individual elements around and not just transitioning from screen to screen. So this is the kind of focus of what Mitya does. Let me show you another one that's based on Twitter's iOS app. I had the shortcut for preview, and you have the interaction over there. So this is the level of animation you can build into your prototypes with Mitya. But the whole point of designing an interaction like this is to see what it feels like on the phone, right? Not just on your computer. So here's what you can do. Mitya also has an iOS app that links to your desktop. Let's open that, connect to the MacBook, and there's a prototype. These two are connected now, so any changes you make in your design can be immediately previewed on your phone. So this makes it like super easy for you to keep tweaking your animations as you work back and forth. Of course, I'm showing you this on the simulator, but it works on your iPhone, so you can imagine what your workflow would be like with something like this. So let's see how that's done. I'll just resize this so we can see the simulator while we work. I'm going to start a new project. I'm going to create an example that's based on AnyDo. So first, I double click to create a new screen. This screen will be the initial state of our interaction. I'll double click inside the screen to add a couple of images. And now to create the end state, I just double click here again and just choose duplicate of current screen. Let's move tomorrow down a bit, and we'll add a new image here for our to-do list item. Put that about there. So when the user clicks somewhere here, I want to trigger this change. I'll create a hotspot that covers this region. Now, if I preview this as it is, you'll see there's already a basic animation added by Mitya. It's actually taken its best guess based on the difference between these two states and added a simple animation. If I broadcast this to the iPhone, it shows up here immediately. Well, let's just adjust that animation a bit. Clicking on this icon brings up a timeline tool. You'll see our images here and the default animations in the timeline. I want this to show up, or a to-do item to show up only after tomorrow has moved down. So I'll drag this out a bit. And I also want this one to slide in from the left, so about here. Hit broadcast, and there you go, it's on the iPhone. So that's a quick overview of how you can design interactions in Mitya and preview it directly on your iPhone. Mitya is currently under development. You can sign up for updates on our website, or if you want to try out an early version, you can join our Facebook group. Thanks for watching, guys.